Hello, fellow explorers. Welcome to Globe Odyssey, your go-to channel for all things travel. Our mission, to take you on a journey through the most fascinating corners of the world, from the comfort of your own home. Today, we're embarking on an adventure like no other, to a place where time seems to stand still, where vast landscapes meet rich history, and where the spirit of resilience and exploration is woven into the very fabric of life. Today, we take you to the enchanting lands of Mongolia. As we traverse through the land of blue skies, we'll take a glimpse into the past, explore must-visit places, delve into the cultural aspects, and give you tips on planning your visit. So buckle up, sit back, and let's set off on this exciting journey together. Remember, every journey starts with a single step, and ours starts with a peek into Mongolia's rich tapestry of history. Stay tuned and let the adventure begin. Before we kick off our adventure, let's pause for a moment to venture back into the past and unravel the layered narrative of Mongolia's history. The Mongol Empire, at its peak, was governed by the legendary Genghis Khan. His era marked the birth of an empire that would span across Asia, Europe, and Africa, etching a permanent imprint on the chronicles of history. Let's jump to the 20th century when Mongolia steered its course from being a communist state to a democratic nation. This transformation, despite being difficult, has been instrumental in molding the Mongolia we are familiar with today. The history of Mongolia is not simply about the rise and fall of empires and political changes, but it also stands as a tribute to the grit and spirit of its people. Their history has shaped their culture, their way of life, and their perspective towards the future. As we commence our exploration through the land of blue skies, keep in mind that every scenery, monument, and smile you witness carries with it a piece of history, a narrative waiting to be divulged. With a history as expansive as its landscapes, Mongolia is indeed a testament to the tenacity and spirit of its people. Known as the land of blue skies, Mongolia is a treasure trove of natural beauty and rich history. This East Asian gem is nestled between Russia and China, boasting an impressive geographical diversity. From the vast expanses of the Gobi Desert to the snow-capped peaks of Altai Mountains, Mongolia's landscapes are as varied as they are breathtaking. Its climate mirrors this diversity, with 4 distinct seasons that each bring their unique charm. The winters are crisp and cold, painting the country white, while the spring breathes life into the barren lands. Summers are a time of warmth and vibrant blue skies, a sight to behold, and autumns are a riot of colors as the leaves change. But it's not just the physical beauty that sets Mongolia apart. It's the blue skies that stretch as far as the eye can see, dominating over 2/3 of the year, that have earned Mongolia its endearing moniker. In Mongolia, the sky is not just the limit, but an integral part of their lifestyle. Mongolia offers a plethora of locations that are nothing short of breathtaking. This vast expanse of untouched beauty is truly a paradise for travelers looking for unique experiences. Let's delve into some must-visit places in this intriguing land. First off, we cannot ignore Ulaanbaatar, the bustling capital of Mongolia. This city is a perfect blend of tradition and modernity, where towering skyscrapers stand alongside traditional ger dwellings. The city's vibrant cultural scene is reflected in its museums, like the National Museum of Mongolia, which houses a remarkable collection of artifacts showcasing the country's history. Also worth a visit is the Gandan Monastery, an oasis of serenity amidst the city's hustle and bustle. Next on our list is the Gobi Desert, one of the most unique landscapes on the planet. Despite its harsh conditions, the desert is home to a variety of wildlife, including the 2-humped Bactrian camel. A camel ride across the seemingly endless sand dunes is an experience you'll cherish forever. Also, don't miss out on the Flaming Cliffs, a paleontological treasure trove where the first dinosaur eggs were discovered. Then we have the Orkhon Valley, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The valley's lush landscapes, punctuated by cascading waterfalls and ancient ruins, are nothing short of magical. This region was the center of power for centuries, and the ruins of the ancient city of Karakorum bear witness to its glorious past. A visit to Lake Khovsgol, often referred to as Mongolia's dark blue pearl, is a must for nature lovers. Surrounded by snow-capped mountains and thick forests, this crystal-clear lake offers a tranquil retreat. Whether you choose to hike, ride horses, or simply soak in the beauty, this place will leave you spellbound. Last but not least, we have the Altai Tavanbog National Park, a haven for adventure enthusiasts. Here you can trek through the rugged landscapes, meet the local Kazakh nomads, and even catch a glimpse of the endangered snow leopard if you're lucky. Each of these places offers a unique slice of Mongolian culture and tradition. Whether you're exploring the urban jungles of Ulaanbaatar, traversing the barren beauty of the Gobi Desert, delving into the historical riches of the Orkhon Valley, basking in the serenity of Lake Khövsgöl, or seeking adventure in the Altai Tavanbog National Park, you're in for an experience that's truly one of a kind. So, pack your bags and get ready to embark on an unforgettable journey across the exotic landscapes of Mongolia. Mongolia is not just about sightseeing, but also offers a variety of exciting activities. This is a country where the old and the new coexist, where tradition and modernity intertwine in the most fascinating ways. And today, we're diving into some of the most intriguing activities that Mongolia has to offer. First on our list is horseback riding. In a country where horses outnumber people by a ratio of nearly 13-1, it's no surprise that horse riding is a significant part of Mongolian culture. But it's not just about hopping on a horse and riding off into the sunset. Here, horse riding is a way to connect with nature, to experience the vast open steppes that stretch out as far as the eye can see. It's a way to feel the wind in your hair, the sun on your skin, and the ground beneath your horse's hooves. It's a way to feel truly alive. Next up, we have visiting nomadic tribes. Mongolia is one of the last places on Earth where nomadic life is still a living tradition. Here, you'll have the chance to visit a gur, a traditional Mongolian tent, and experience a way of life that has remained largely unchanged for centuries. You'll witness the daily routines of the nomads, their herding techniques, their cooking methods, and even their games and entertainment. It's an immersive cultural experience that you won't find anywhere else. And then there's the Naadam Festival, held annually in the summer. Naadam is Mongolia's biggest and most colorful festival. It's a celebration of the three manly games: wrestling, horse racing, and archery. But it's not just about the competitions. The festival is a grand spectacle of traditional music, dance, and cuisine. It's a time when the whole country comes together to celebrate its rich heritage and spirit of community. For those of you who prefer a more tranquil experience, Mongolia has that covered too. Participate in a traditional tea ceremony, where the act of making and drinking tea is elevated to an art form. The ceremony is a meditative process that encourages mindfulness and appreciation for the simple things in life. It's a chance to slow down, to savor the moment, and to connect with the people around you. And let's not forget about the incredible hiking opportunities. With its diverse landscapes, from the Gobi Desert to the Altai Mountains, Mongolia offers a range of hikes for all levels of experience. Whether you're a seasoned hiker or a novice, there's a trail waiting for you. Lastly, for the wildlife enthusiasts, Mongolia is home to a host of unique species. From the elusive snow leopard to the majestic Przhevalsky's horse, this is a wildlife paradise waiting to be explored. From the adrenaline rush of horse riding to the soothing calmness of a traditional tea ceremony, Mongolia has it all. So, are you ready for your Mongolian adventure? Mongolia's culture is as diverse and vibrant as its landscape. The heart of Mongolian culture beats in its rich traditions, a harmonious blend of nomadic customs, Buddhist philosophies, and the resilience of a people shaped by the harsh yet beautiful Mongolian steppe. One of the most cherished Mongolian traditions is their love for storytelling, passed down through generations. These tales of wisdom, courage, and honor are beautifully woven into their music. Mongolian music is a symphony of haunting melodies punctuated by the unique throat singing or kume. This ancient art form produces two or more pitches simultaneously, resonating across the vast plains like a call to the spirits. But what's a culture without its food, right? Mongolian cuisine is a testament to the nomadic way of life. The extreme climatic conditions led to a diet heavy in meat and dairy. Buz, a type of steamed dumpling, and korkhog, a meaty barbecue dish cooked with hot stones, are popular. And let's not forget arag, a mildly alcoholic beverage fermented from mare's milk, a true taste of the Mongolian steppe. Then there are the vibrant festivals, the most famous being the Naadam Festival. This grand event, also known as the Three Games of Men, showcases Mongolian wrestling, horse racing, and archery. It is not just a display of athletic prowess, but also a celebration of Mongolian heritage and the spirit of competition. And let's not forget the Tsagaan Sar, or the Lunar New Year, a time for family reunions, feasts, and the exchange of symbolic gifts. It's a time when the Mongolians honor their ancestors and make merry, a testament to their deep respect for family ties and traditions. Mongolian culture is also defined by its traditional clothes, the deel. This long, loose tunic is worn by men, women, and children, often adorned with intricate embroidery. It's a proud symbol of their identity, a beautiful blend of functionality and aesthetics. The Mongolian language, an integral part of their culture, is the most widely spoken of the Altaic language family. It's a language that has stood the test of time, much like the Mongolian people themselves, resilient and proud. Mongolian culture is a rich tapestry woven with threads of tradition, resilience, and a deep love for their land. It's a culture that values honor, respects nature, and cherishes its past while embracing the future. Experiencing Mongolian culture is like stepping into a time machine and exploring an era where traditions hold supreme. Now that you're all set to pack your bags for Mongolia, here are a few tips to keep in mind. The best time to visit Mongolia is during the summer months, from June to August. This is when the weather is most pleasant and the countryside is in full bloom. But if you're a fan of winter sports, Mongolia's chilly winters won't disappoint you either. As for the visa process, it's relatively straightforward for most visitors. However, it's always a good idea to check with your local Mongolian embassy or consulate for the most updated information. When it comes to travel tips, remember that Mongolia is a vast country with diverse landscapes. It's recommended to pack versatile clothing to adapt to changing weather conditions. Also, learning a few phrases in Mongolian can go a long way in interacting with the locals. With the right planning, your Mongolian adventure can be a trip of a lifetime. That brings us to the end of this enchanting journey through Mongolia. We've traversed the land of blue skies, explored must-visit places, dived into the vibrant culture, and shared tips on planning your visit. From the vast expanse of the Gobi Desert to the spiritual tranquility of the Erdinzu Monastery, Mongolia has unfolded her myriad facets to us, offering a glimpse into a world where tradition and modernity coexist harmoniously. We hope this guide has sparked your wanderlust and equipped you with insights for your future visit. Remember, each journey is a personal odyssey that enriches us with novel experiences and perspectives. As you embark on your travels, let curiosity be your compass and let the world surprise you. We appreciate you joining us on this virtual voyage. Your support fuels our passion for bringing the wonders of the world to your screens. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Globe Odyssey for more such exciting travel guides. Until next time, keep exploring,